so the door wasn't closed. For some reason or the other. Ah. Oh, I see, right? Woo, yay! I know, right? They've been clearing roads all night. Yeah, they've been doing that thing all night, right through, so they kept the roads going, kept the roads clear as much as possible. So the cars. Oh my god. Ah, let me see if I can help shovel the snow from in front. So while it is snowing, it doesn't feel that cold. There we go. So clear right here.
I took this and I can come on. Now the man is very clear off this, so you can go park like I clear it over this or something.
And then so that they can do here.
You can park for it and they get clear it.
Oh, look over there. Oh. It is still snowing, and we're expecting a major snow later on in the day. Oh my. Why would you drive the car?
Yeah, it's there. I can't. Where are you get that shovel there? See?
Right there, no. Why am I holding this? Aren't you the one going somewhere? And it's still gonna be snowing. So only one side of these vehicles have snow. You're saying that this can move. Yes, it can move, but you forget that it still got skid. My hands are getting cold. Gloves? Thank you. Oh, wait. Alright, so this is alright. Oh. Damn, my hands are getting really cold. I need to close the next car. Go on now. Go. Okay, let's. So they've been doing that all night. Where did I take this from? Oh, forgot to close the car. Oh shit! He left his lunch. Oh no, guys, he left his lunch. Oh, let me call him right now. So I'm gonna meet him out there with the lunch. Ah, damn it, these hands. Ooh. It's okay. It's just that my hands, they are the problem. My fingertips are burning. All night, these snowplow have been working. I'm right here. Here we go. Why is it not moving? It refused to reverse. That's it refusing, thinking that there's an issue at the back. If it senses that there's something behind it, too close behind it, it won't reverse. I had that issue before. It didn't allow me to reverse it because it think that there's something behind it. It could be just a little grade, and that would be a problem. You put it in high? Not even high nor low don't work. It just keep skidding and stuff. Yeah. But anyway, take your time, drive. For me, I don't think it helps with the snow. Oh. Just take time, drive. Because at least it has on all season. I need to check my balcony, see what's going on up there. So today no school. Alright, that is it for us. Let's go. Let's go check our balcony. So that salt he's putting on